Hello and welcome to the Thermodynamics channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can write the Greek character inside the engineering equation solvers or EES or EES software. So without any further delay, let's get us started. First of all, as you can see, for some Greek characters like alpha, both the upper and lower case are the same. We only have one symbol for this character. But for the delta, for example, we have both uppercase symbol and also lowercase symbol. So to have the uppercase symbol, you can just simply write the delta with the capital letter, and for having the lowercase symbol like this one, you will write the delta with uppercase letters. So without any further delay, we will go to the EES and then start it. So to reach out the whole of actually these characters, you can just simply first go to the help and use the help index, click here, and then you can search for Greek or Greek and special symbols and press enter. So here in this topics found window, you have this Greek and special symbols. So I will select and display this one. As you can see, a whole list of this Greek symbol presented here. I will zoom in this session to see all of these characters here. So we can start and write it down in the EES. So first of all, as you can see in this help index, to have actually to show this Greek symbol, so you need to actually have the activate part in the preferences for showing this option. So if you actually simply go to the options here, then preferences. So here you have this option, display subscripts and Greek symbols. So as you can see in the default mode, it has been selected. So when you write it down here in this equation window, you will see your Greek symbol. So if I uncheck this part and press on OK, so you will see that it will not display. So we will check this option later. So and two other small things I will go through before going to this characters is actually use the underscore and to have index or subscript. So for example, if I write A and then underscore B, use equal 1. If I go to this part, actually formatted equation, at the moment we are in the equations window. So if I press here, you can see this actually B is subscript of this A, as you can see here. So another thing, again, we can go to the option to have a much bigger font than this one. Go to the option preferences and then change the default size, for example to 24. You can simply select different sizes here and different fonts in this window. So I will select 24 and press on OK. So we have a larger font here in this format, actually this equation window, and also here. So to have this index here, we can just use the underscore in our equation. And for having a superscript or the power on top of this A, for example, you can just simply use this vertical line. So I will write B again and then equal 1. You need to have one equation, so we need to have this equal 1 to go to the formatted equation. So if I go here, so in this case we have the superscript on the above this A character. So I'm just going to use the underscore here in our letter to check the Greek symbol. So now at the moment I will delete this one and then we can just simply use some of these Greek characters as a sample. So I will start with the alpha equal to 1, and then I will just write one subscript here, and then I will type as a alpha with a small character, lowercase 1, and then use 2 equal 2. And if I press in this formatted equation, you will see all the both of these cases in alpha are the same, because in this Greek character we only have one type of this one. But we will try for the delta for the next example. So I will go here, and then I will just simply type delta underscore 1 equal 1, and then I will type as delta underscore 2 equal 2. Then when I go to the formatted equation window, so you can see we have both uppercase and the lowercase of the delta by writing just with the capital letter and the small characters of the delta, as you can see here. So to have access to all of this one, you can just simply, as I showed you before, go to the help and search for the Greek or Greek character, Greek symbol, something like that, in the help of this software engineering equation solver to reach out to this part. Then I will go again to this sheet, and as you can see, there are lots of different formats you can use in this software, like this one. So if use this vertical line like this, as I showed you before, it will be like this, and then underscore, you have an index beside your character. You can have the bar, dot, double dot, as you can see, hat, and different symbols, as you can see in this picture. So in your equation, you will see this ones later in our some practices in some other courses that we will go through the thermodynamics model. So we can use different type of this formatted equation. For example, I will just simply use this x dot. I will copy from here. Let's try. Then so it is x double dot equal to 5, and I can also use x dot equal to 6, for example, and then go to the formatted equation. So we have 2 dot and double dot actually on above this x, and 1 dot here. So we can just simply define our character like this one in this software easily. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.